Replace your engine and cabin air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles in order to improve your car fuel efficiency and the car performance. This is very important. Periodically change the air filter of your engine and the cabin, and you will love the performance of your car for doing this. Remember, this is Way Out Autos. Olatuni Father is my name. I drop auto tips on this particular page every day. Visit the page to watch other of our videos. Enlighten yourself and educate yourself about cars, and you're going to thank me later. Stay informed and bye.